Need to troubleshoot a startup issue, factory reset your PC, or boot from a USB drive. You need to get into the Windows recovery environment. Here are the 2 quickest ways to do it in Windows 11. Method 1 is best if you can already log into Windows normally. Click the Start button and go to Settings. Make sure you are on the System tab on the left, then scroll down until you see Recovery. Click that. Look for the option that says Advanced Startup. Click the button that says Restart Now. Windows will ask you to confirm click Restart Now again. Your PC will reboot directly into the blue recovery menu. Method 2 is faster, and it's a lifesaver if your settings menu is freezing up. Open your Start menu and click the power icon. Before you click anything else, press and hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click Restart. Keep holding Shift until the screen goes black. This forces Windows to skip the normal boot and go straight to recovery. Once you see this blue screen, you made it. From here, you can usually click Troubleshoot to find options like resetting your PC, uninstalling updates, or using the command prompt. If this helped you fix your PC, please like and subscribe to easy tutorials and how-tos for more clear guides. Thanks for watching.